Buddy, a kind brown dog, went to the park every morning to say hello to everyone. He believed smiling was the most important thing in the world. One day, he saw a sad child sitting on a bench. The dog gently walked over and wagged his tail. Then he dropped his small ball near the child's feet. The child looked surprised, then smiled. Buddy barked happily. He learned that sometimes a small act can make a day better.